So, what's up? This what's up. I'm Craig SKILZ. I'm with the ebony box. You see this? The ebony box for me. This is for me, the ebony box. You hear that? What's in it? Let's open it up and see what's going on. Fade 45 is in the building. Remember that. Got you. Woo! Look at how it's packaged, baby. Huh? You see it? How it's packaged? Wow. Let's see what's in the box. This is in the box. Look at that. Look at that. See what's in the box? This is in the box. Wow. Another ebony box for me in here. Here we go. Wow. Whoa. Pamphlet. Put that right there. That's where we going. Yo, you see the packaging game? You know, when stuff get packaged like this, you know it's tight. You know it's tight when it's packaged like this. It's worth the money. I can't wait to open this up. You see that? See that ebony right there? You see the ebony through the plastic? It's still ebony, baby. Let's open this up. I'm gonna take this out of here. Wow. It's still ebony. You wanna go? Wow. See, whoa, look at that. Wow. Look at that right there. See that? Wow. Wouldn't that look good on your station? Look at that. Compressor. Dinair. See it? Dinair compressor. Whoa. Look at the dial right there. See that? Look at the spin dial. Off and on switch. Look at the dial. And that's it. It's just a little charger. It's nothing. Little charger's nothing. What's in the ebony box? Carry case, baby. Carry case. Put this down. Carry case. You see the case? Ooh, it got the same thing. Got two of them. Instructions. Two instructions. Hold up. Two instructions. Carry case. Where's the airbrush at? Let's see. Pull it out. What is this? Wow. This is solution airbrush cleaner for the airbrush. Got the cord. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Whoa. It comes with its own stencil. This is the stencil. Can you see the outline of the stencil? You can see the stencil. Wow. Whoa. Another ebony bag, baby. This is the airbrush. See that? Dinair. Open this up. Little scrubby brush. Let's put that down right there. What's up next? Whoa. This is the airbrush right here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the airbrush. Look at that. Nice weight to it. All right. Close. Okay. It's the airbrush. I'm going to put this down right here. What else is in there? Wow. Look, colors. Colors that come with, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. Not one, 7 different colors in the package. Wow. This right here. This, the airbrush. Dinair. Craig SKILZ. I don't know what this is. I think I know what this is. We'll talk about this later. We'll talk about this device later, but I think I know what this is. We'll talk about this device later. One more thing in the carry bag. It's the same thing. It's the direction. See that? Dinair. Say Dinair Quick Start Guide. Dinair Quick Start Guide. See that? Dinair Quick Start Guide. You get 2 directions. So when you open up the box and you want to learn how to work it, you don't only get 1 direction, you get 2. Just in case you lose one, you got to back up to learn what's going on. Because we all need to know how to work a device when you get it first. You just can't open it up and say, I know how to work it because it's just a regular airbrush. This not the regular airbrush. It's the ebony, baby, for me. It's not the regular airbrush. It's the Dinair. Top of the line Barber equipment. You hear that? Top of the line Barber equipment. Professional, pro, Dinair airbrush. This is what you get in the box. But we got one more box to go. Here we go. One more box. And here it is. Wow. Wow. A smaller box. I wonder what's in the small box. We did the big ebony box. This is the small ebony box. Here we go. Wow, I'm telling you, the packaging over here is serious. It's not a game. This is in the box. Another bag. I wonder what's in the bag. Open it up. This is the airbrush itself. Let's open that up again. Got your scrub. And this is the Dinair airbrush right here. Woo, look at that. Fancy. Okay. Got my cleaning solution, cleaner airbrush. That's always helpful. Wow, this right here. We know what this is. See that right there? We know what that is. Let's go to this. 7 colors. 7 colors. Blonde to black. Blonde to black. 7 colors. Dinair Barber edge. The stencil. This is the Dinair Barber edge. Okay. Next. Wow. What is that? I tell you, man. Over here is serious. Over here, this airbrush. Let's open this up. Wow. I'm so excited. I can't open it up. I'm messing up the package. I don't even care. Let's open it. Whoa! Ho ho! Ho ho! Look at that. I think this is the cordless Dinair airbrush. This is called the Dinair 1. Look how smart it is. Look at that. Wow. Cordless. There's no big gawky thing at the station. Wow. You know, when you get good products, you just feel good. You cut good. You just cut good when you get the good stuff. All right, this is the charger. And this comes with one guy. One professional guy. Wow, look at that. One professional guy. Woo! See how small that fits in your hand? See that, guys, ladies? See how small that fit in your hand? The Dinair 1 is cordless. This is directions. It's cordless. Remember that. Dinair 1. See how small it is? Cordless. Facts. 2 ebony boxes for me. 2 ebony boxes for me. Dinair 1 Personal Pro. You get it? Dinair 1 Personal Pro. The Dinair 1 is cordless. Look at that, baby. In the hand. See that? Dinair 1. Personal Pro. See the Personal Pro? Wow. Wow, Personal Pro. They both come with 7 colors. Both of them. You get 7 colors, barbers. 7 colors. And guess what? You can mix the colors. This is crazy. You can mix the colors. So when you want that shade that you want to mix in, you can mix the colors with these different 7 colors. Now let's check it out. The Dinair 1, you really want to know the price? Not yet. Personal Pro, you really want to know the price? Not yet. Let's here we go. The Dinair 1, $249. Everything in the box for $249. Personal Pro, $229. $249, $229. Personal. Here we go. Both boxes. Which one you want? The cordless or the one with the cord?